Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Feel yourself relax and release all the tension from your body. Join me in this exciting, rejuvenating journey of yoga, where I teach you the nuances and the intricacies of different aspects of yoga. From this course, learn how to take care of your body, mind, and soul, and unravel the many mysteries that lie within us. I want to take you on a journey where you will look at yourself and the world around you in a very different perspective and find your inner peace, health, and happiness. So get on board this wonderful experience and start your spiritual journey with me today. Namaste.